YouTube, your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video for you guys. How y'all feeling today? Good morning, good night, you feel me, wherever you at. But yeah, you feel me, enough rambling. I guess you see the title for real, but seen the last video, I tried to get my car tuned. Oh, you see how excited I was at the beginning of the video? Oh man, I was so pumped. Thought I was gonna be the first M35H tuned. Nope. Long story short, you feel me, if you ain't see that video, I wanted to try to get tuned by UpRev. They straight bricked my ECU, so my engine was down. Car wouldn't start, it would just run on battery power, so you know I wasn't going too far with that. Even though it is a hybrid, but still. But this little update video, guys. So yeah, my car wouldn't start. UpRev wanted me to send in my ECU for a week, so I'll be without a car, and who knows if it would even took a week. Cause you know, normal tune it takes 4 to 8 weeks, and they took what, like 3 months. So I'm glad I didn't have to do that. But the reason I didn't have to do that is because my tune helped me a great deal. I guess he took it back to his house or did whatever, plugged it back in, and luckily he flashed my ECU back to stock. So, flash it back to stock, put it back in, guys, and bam! Now we up and running, baby. We are back up and running. But you know, since he had removed my ECU or ECM, you know, right from down there, and you know, just plugged it back in, I had 2 lights on, one under the green one right here. It was like the whole car with an exclamation point, and I had the, you know, service engine soon light on. So I had that on for, you know, a few days. He tried to, you know, plug in his scanner too to try and clear it. It's no prevail. I unplugged the battery. No prevail. We drove around for 50 to 100 miles. No prevail. So luckily, guys, here we go. Peep this. Bam! I have my own little OBD2, you feel me, little plug-in thing. So what I did with this, I had those dash lights on. Plug this in right down there, bam. Used, I forgot what app, I think it was In-Car Doctor or something. I guess I'll screenshot it and post it right here. But yeah, I used that, and pretty much, of course I scanned the code to make sure nothing was major wrong, and figured as it wasn't. The code was just my ECU/ECM was just, you know, removed, so that was the only problem. So I cleared that code, and you see where we at now, guys. No codes on the dash. I don't know. Me personally, I just hate riding around with codes on the dash. Just even though, you know, if something's not even wrong with your car, it's just you never know. You feel me? And then especially if you ever go to try to sell your car, they be like, oh man, you got dash lights on. So I just don't like riding around with dash lights on. You feel me? If I can help it. So yeah, cleared that, guys, and now we back good. But yeah, life lesson learned, I'm not messing with UpRev no more. Their customer service was piss poor. I even emailed them talking about, oh man, you feel me, it's their fault. But I might as well just drop the email right here too. But it's crazy how they tried to point blame at my tuner, even though UpRev was the one that released the corrupt file, said it was ready for download, and go to download it, plug it on in, error code, fatal error. Now I'm saying you call them back, oh no, we was never supposed to release a tune, we don't support hybrids, I don't know how that tune got out, bit by bit. And then they wasn't even trying to, you feel me, give me any type of compensation, make me feel good, fix the problem that they caused, anything. So UpRev customer service, guys, is trash. So there's a few other Infiniti, Nissan tuning companies out here. I definitely suggest messing with them over UpRev, because my personal experience, garbage. And then they messed my car up and wasn't even trying to do anything to fix it other than shipping it out for a week. So I mean, I would have been without a car, and y'all wasn't trying to, you know, compensate me. You know, people gotta work, you know, people gotta make a living, so I can't just sit around and do nothing for a week while y'all just pussyfoot around my ECU, you know. So but yeah, guys, you feel me, definitely invest in one of these things. You can clear your own codes, scan your own codes, beats, you know, take it to the mechanic. Of course, you have something seriously wrong with your car, you can clear the codes all day, but you know, if it's something seriously wrong with your car, just get it fixed. Because yeah, just get it fixed. But you know, you got something small like me, just, you don't want the dash lights on, bam, this bad boy worked. But yeah, guys, enough rambling. We back running. Give you guys a few revs. I can do. But yeah, guys, you know. Until next time.